Bonnie, happy Saturday! I am here with Lenny.
Once again.
Oh my gosh, we are back with a starker background.
Much more fitting for the day.
Oh yeah, and look what I have made you.
You are turning into this amazing mixologist.
It's a polar Superman drink.
Oh, I thought maybe it was a blue margarita.
Well, it could be a blue margarita.
No,
I actually use Superman ice cream.
I love this.
It's like, I know. We gotta see what it tastes like, though.
Okay.
Okay.
Wait. You put food coloring in this, didn't you?
Maybe just a touch.
Okay.
It's surprisingly good.
It is.
It is. It's actually.
You know what? You got the.
I just put just the right amount of food coloring.
But you also there is this right amount of being it's not a punch.
Yes.
It's like a winter punch.
It is.
You made a winter
punch.
punch.
Oh my gosh! This is a good recipe. Delicious.
So what's in it again?
So it's
besides
Superman
a little bit of
ice cream.
Superman.
Yeah,
ice
Superman
cream.
Ice cream, crushed ice, and ginger ale with a touch of food coloring. Just a touch.
Wow. This is so appropriate for what we're doing now.
It is so good.
This is so alternative.
It looks so beautiful. We've been overloaded on pink. It's kind of nice to switch to blue.
We need a little bit of something different.
Say. So it's snowing.
Yes, it is.
And it's going to be -10 here Tuesday morning.
Right when I'm leaving.
And the wind chill is going to be -40, I think.
Oh my God. Good thing I have a good heater in my car.
No. I'm looking outside. It looks a little cold, I gotta say.
It's definitely cold.
So the good news about the cold is that Lush sent an Aurora Borealis box.
Ooh.
Which I'm excited about. I actually got to see the Aurora Borealis on the beach last year. Remember when
yes,
it was on the beach? It was so cool. The weird thing was you had to use your cell phone to see it. You could, through the naked eye, you could kind of see it, but once you put your cell phone on it, it was incredible. It was amazing. So I'm hoping it happens again this year because I want to do that again. So we have an Aurora Borealis box. So I'm going to let you rip the box open.
Wait.
Oh, wait.
Wait.
Oh!
I have a surprise for you.
Oh my gosh. I'm scared.
And this is I was waiting for the perfect moment. This is it.
Oh my gosh. I'm freaking out right now.
This is for you.
Oh my gosh! What is this? Oh my gosh! I don't want to ruin the thing.
Oh, go ahead.
Oh no! I don't want to rip it. It's beautiful. Oh my gosh! What did you give me? Oh my! I'm so happy. You guys know what these are, don't you? These are the Bath and Body Works. Oh my God, I'm so excited!
Okay, so the other day when I was in Johnstown,
yes,
and I did that video, and you said he didn't even know it. There were those foliage right behind him.
No.
So I went back to the store the next day and got these.
Oh my gosh, you have to put them in. Lenny's a master arranger.
So look, when you said you wanted this to be our background,
yes!
I'm like, this is the perfect moment.
I am so excited. Look at that. It really made it pop.
It's going to make it full.
Look at, that's so cool.
Wait, let's see. There we go.
Oh my gosh. Thank you. I'm so excited.
You had I
had no idea.
I'm so glad I got to pull off a surprise.
You did the ultimate surprise. I'm hard to surprise.
I don't know. Let me.
Not really.
Huh?
We have to. I think they have to be
Hold on. I just need to. Yeah.
Lenny needs to arrange them.
I need a moment.
It's okay. We have to have perfection here.
Yeah.
Those are so pretty, you guys. I gotta say, if you can find those in your Bath and Body Works, they're really, really nice. I think these are they're so zen looking too.
Yeah, really nice.
And they're just beautiful. Look at that.
They really have this foamy quality.
Yes, they do.
Okay.
Look at that. Look at that. You got it.
There we got it.
Oh my gosh. Look at that.
Okay.
It's beautiful.
All right. We're there now.
Okay, we're there. I'm so excited.
Okay.
That's gorgeous. Oh my God. That looks good.
Now we can. There we go.
Okay.
Now we can.
I'm so excited. made my day.
begin.
I was wanting some more of those.
That's what you said.
No.
The moment I heard, I was like, I have to go back to that store and
Oh
buy
my
her one.
gosh! Okay, well that was a fun surprise. We have good beverages. We have a fun background, so I don't care that it's cold anymore. So we're gonna do this. Okay, I'm gonna have you rip.
Okay,
something.
good. I get to rip something.
You get to rip something. Rip it. All right. So I am a member of the Lush Kitchen Box of the Month. It's like Jelly of the Month Club, only Lush. And what's interesting about Lush is, check it out. This is the box, fresh from the kitchen. Grabs a little piece of paper.
Oh, this thing. Okay.
Smell that.
Oh, wow.
I know. This is
going to be like a kitchen
Now-
sink full of...
Yeah. You actually started using Lush. So we got to talk about that.
Yes. You gave me that Lush soap for like shampoo.
Yes.
The bar.
Yeah.
The bar.
Yes.
Honestly, I have never washed my hair.
Mm-hmm.
And when I was rinsing, my hair is squeaky clean.
Oh, I know.
Squeaky.
I know.
I mean, like no residue at all. It was
very cleansing.
I've never had anything
And
like
it's got seaweed in it, so it's very good for your skin.
It did have a really lovely scent too.
I know.
Definitely like that. Well, with the seaweed, it definitely had that aqua feeling.
Yeah.
But I was so impressed. So I used it on the hair on my body.
Oh, good. And it worked.
Well, 3 in 1.
3 in 1.
Yeah. I just cannot believe how squeaky clean
I know.
it rinses.
It's weird.
That was so strange.
I could try it on like my hair.
And the bar, I go, this bar is going to melt right away.
No, it lasted a long time. Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
That was
I actually left a little bit in my shower in Atlanta at my sister's house. That's really, she had a shower. She didn't have a bathtub.
Yeah.
I said, I'm going to use that Lush bar.
And you were there for 5 weeks.
Yeah.
So it lasted, good.
Yeah, it was really
I'm
good.
so excited. Isn't that neat? Oh my gosh. Look at this.
Wow.
Like the Aurora Borealis. So I think this is actually what's in the box. So we're going to look, because Lush is a little bit trickier because they do the packaging. Oh my gosh. This is called Freeze. I'm going to open that up while I read about it. This is so appropriate
Kitchen
for today.
exclusive body scrub. I know.
Freeze. Okay, you're going to have to twist it off.
Oh, twist. This is the twist, not a pop off.
It's a body scrub. Peppermint wakes you up and fine sea salt scrubs you down.
Oh, wow.
Oh, wow. Smell it. Oh, that smells amazing.
Oh, this is what those people use in the spa, like the salts.
This is all spa stuff. I know.
Oh.
Isn't that neat?
Yes.
I know.
Okay, I have to try a little bit.
Yes, you do. There's Kleenex over there, too.
Smell that.
I know.
Oh, this does.
And that will your whole body will just feel smooth. It'll exfoliate you. It's like a good exfoliation.
I really
You
like
have to try this while you're here.
Yes. Oh, yes.
You have to try this. This is good.
In the shower.
It's a revival. It's refreshing.
It does. It is.
Yeah, and it's all vegan, fair trade, aloe vera. There's aloe vera in it. Peppermint oil, bergamot, sweet wild orange. Yeah, these are amazing.
This is definitely...
I love that. Lush is amazing.
Alternative for me.
I know. So the next thing we have, I have to start sending you home with these bath bombs because I don't have a bathtub anymore because we got rid of our bathtub for my mom because when she broke her hip. My dream is to have another bathtub like it's an abominable snowman.
So what is this? This is for melting in the
So
tub?
you fill your bathtub and you put that in your bathtub.
It's like chalk. Look at this.
Well, now your bathtub is actually going to look like this. It's going to be blue. But there's all these.
Does it rinse off clean just like their soap?
Yes, it does. It rinses
I hope
clean. It says, "Are you ready for an unreal soak? Drop this exclusive snow monster into a warm bath and vanish into an embracing peppermint and sweet vanilla foam." Yeah,
ooh,
I know. You're yes.
I can't wait to go home with this.
I know. That's going to be so relaxing.
I love baths.
I know you do.
I really do.
I know you do.
They are special to me.
I know.
And I'm going to do this.
You will like the decadentness of a bath bomb. It's bath art, and yeah, it's a little. It'll rinse clean. The only ones that are hard are the black ones. Those are a little, but even those don't rinse too bad. So yeah, you're gonna have to report back. This is good because we have this monthly. We're gonna be able to report.
I didn't know I was gonna need to go get washed up. Okay.
Okay, so now we have the frozen body lotion. So when you're done with your shower,
Okay.
you're gonna use the body lotion. It's grapefruit and neroli. You're gonna have to put a little of this on. Smell that.
Oh.
No, this is like.
This is also different.
I know, it is. It's very natural.
Yeah.
I know, smell that on me.
You're right.
I know. It's such it's a spa.
It has this healthy cleansing.
Yes, it is. It's like a spa.
But it's marketed so funky and alternative. You know? But so
it is.
Isn't it funny that alternative is the natural now?
Yes, it is.
I mean, like being natural is
so
alternative.
Oh yeah, I know.
Wow.
And Lush does a great job. I mean, that is just so good. And what's cute is I like the way Lush does this. So
okay, so freeze is the scrub.
Do the
scrub.
This
is the
then
lotion
you do the
for
lotion.
after.
Here's a little bit on your hand. Look, it was made by Derek, and there's a little. They have their own little stickers, and they put these on. Isn't that cool?
This is so great.
I love that. I know. So
self-preserving. I like that too.
Yes. So they've given it. You're going to go home with 2 bath bombs this time. They've given us 2 this time. This is the Polar Bear Plunge. Okay.
This is like perfect for today, though.
Yes, it's amazing. It's spearmint. It's a spearmint bath bomb.
This is like the chewing gum. It is.
I know.
Whoa! It is so.
And it kind of penetrates you while you're like bathing, and it just revitalizes you. And that won't turn your bathtub blue either. you're gonna test them both out.
I am. I'm just wondering how I'm going to do a video about this.
You know you need to.
Hey everyone, I just got out of the bathtub.
What is in the bathtub?
Reporting to you from the bathtub.
Oh, okay. Wow. And then we have, look at the color of this soap. Oh my gosh, you got to smell that.
This is that L'Oreal.
This is the Northern Lights.
Yes.
It's electric fir needle and lime oil.
I have chills.
I know.
Like, you gave me a chill. No, seriously. I got a chill. It was really weird.
It's amazing. I know. It's so intense.
Oh, this is very enlivening. No, you know what?
I know.
They're all enlivening.
They are. I gotta say, Lush, I've been a fan of Lush. Lush is the reason I started this whole channel. Would you believe it? Okay, so the story is when in 2016 I had really bad pneumonia and I took this antibiotic and all of my hair was falling out. It was in clumps. It was just my whole body chemistry was a mess. And I saw it with Graveyard Girl that she was using Lush hair bars and saying how it like revitalized her hair. So I'm like, I'm going to order a Lush hair bar. I loved it so much, I wrote a blog post about it. And Queen and the Girl Geeks, my blog. And I started reviewing beauty products, and that's how I got started in this entire thing.
Oh, that is so
Isn't
special.
that amazing?
Yeah.
And my hair really, so my hair has been an inspiration like for my channel. So what happened was after I did the Lush, then I found the Propalithera, you guys all know from Avon, and then I do a combination. I do Lush and I do the Avon, because Avon is royal jelly, which is great for your hair, and bee and tree sap. So I do a combination.
Well, thanks for sharing.
Isn't that interesting though?
Yeah, it really is.
I know.
I didn't really realize that.
Yeah. So Lush has been a part of my life for the past like 9 years, like a really important. And let me tell you, those bath bombs, like all of the products, like when you had a stressful day or something and you smell this stuff,
totally takes you away from it.
It totally takes you away from it. Yeah, I know. I can tell. I've got you hooked.
That shampoo bar really started me off. Yeah.
I know. So it's amazing. So I'm going to send Lenny home with a little Lush box, and we're going to see what he likes.
I will report back.
Because every month I get a box. Oh. So when you're here every month, we're going to check out our Lush box.
Okay.
I'm excited.
I am very
I
excited.
know. So this is actually distracted me from the snow.
Totally forgot about it.
Totally forgot about it. And I'm loving my
I think your
beverage.
drink is excellent. It was perfect for this.
I love my beverage, and I thank you so much for buying me one of those. I'm so excited.
I know you need a little more fullness.
I did. This is amazing. So January Lush Kitchen Box was a win. Total 10.
Absolutely.
Okay. See you guys later.
See you again later.
Bye-bye.